guys, it's Jack from TechFusions here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the DJI's Osmo 3. Keep watching to find out more. The DJI Osmo 3 is a gimbal that can be used to help you record high quality videos from your phone. Although phone cameras today have so much technology crammed in and are mostly capable of shooting footage in 4K, getting video footage that looks professional can still be quite challenging because often the video becomes quite shaky. The DJI Osmo helps stabilise your footage, making your videos look much more professional. I bought the combo pack which comes with the DJI Osmo 3, a mini grip tripod and a carry case from Amazon. This costed £109 and $139 US, which is slightly cheaper than other places where I looked. I would personally recommend getting the combo pack, however you could easily use the gimbal without paying the extra money, so that will completely depend on your own preferences and what you want to do with the gimbal. The gimbal comes with the grey light fit design, which is really easy to carry around, especially in the case, although I found it quite difficult to fit both the gimbal and the tripod in the case. The design feels really nice to hold and it feels strong enough that it will last a while. It still has that high quality feel when holding the Osmo, and it really does feel like a premium product. The gimbal has quite a strong motor, which means it could easily hold my phone even if it's placed in a way where the gimbal is unable to balance properly, which is really useful as the last thing you'd want to do is accidentally drop your phone because of a weak motor. The gimbal also comes with a tripod base at the bottom, meaning you can still connect to a tripod even if you didn't buy the combo pack. This is really useful, particularly if you want to record footage at different levels, as the mini tripod it comes with is quite small. The gimbal works really well with the Mino app, which is the best way to really utilise the features of the gimbal. The app allows you to do a range of things to track in both people and faces, although I found the face tracking works much better. But the big thing for me was when using the app is that whenever you used any footage or recorded any footage or took photos, it recorded it straight to your device, which made it so much easier, especially when you look at other apps when it saves it directly to the app, and then it then is quite a bit of hassle then transferring that to your phone. So I found that really useful that it's saved straight on the device, which again was great. The app is available both iOS and Android. I've heard it works better on iOS. However, I haven't used the app using an Android device, but what I can say is it works really well with my iPhone. The Osmo has some really nice features. For example, changing the orientation from portrait to landscape was very easy to do, and could even do this while recording. This is what they call the quick roll feature, and I have to say it was very quick. I found that the Osmo Active Track worked really well, and this was something that made life a lot easier when recording. The Osmo would follow you around whether you're going up, down or moving around. The Osmo even tracked me when I walked into another room, and then I soon came back in the room. And as soon as I was back in the room, the Osmo picked up that straight away and started tracking me again. Although this didn't work every time, but I still think this is a fantastic feature on the gimbal. I would say the Osmo tracked people a lot better compared to tracking objects. I just found that it seemed to work better, and when I was using objects, although it worked, there were a few times when it didn't track, which was quite annoying. Although I did find it still worked, which was really good. I found that it often came out of focus compared to when I was tracking a person. I took the Osmo 3 on a trip to Basel in Switzerland, and I was amazed by how well the gimbal stabilised my camera using my phone. I was able to walk around the city using the gimbal, and it was a really great experience. One thing I was really impressed by was the battery life. I used the gimbal for pretty much the whole day and I still had battery life left. In fact, I was more worried about my phone running out of battery than what I was about the gimbal. I did have some issues though. Firstly, there were some issues with the app connecting to my phone, which is really frustrating because by the time I finally connected, the video footage was then missed, which then meant I missed a great opportunity to record. Now what happened when I did this was the Osmo was connected to my phone, and I double checked that, but for some reason the Osmo wasn't connected to the Mino app, which is something that only happened a few times, but if that happens when you're recording in the moment, that can be really frustrating, particularly if you're having to wait around to do some recording, and by the time that you've actually been able to do it, then you've missed the opportunity. And for me in this example, by the time it was working, there were lots of people there, so I wasn't able to get the same. I did have some instances where the footage was still a little bit shaky, although I think this is because the phone wasn't balanced properly. So it's important to be mindful that your phone is in the correct place so it doesn't become unbalanced. The app would say most of the time when the phone was unbalanced, but it did not every time, so that's something to be mindful of when recording videos. Overall, I would definitely recommend this product. Although I had some minor issues with the app not connecting to the gimbal, it really works well, and I was able to take some great, incredible footage, and it was nice being able to do that on my smartphone. If you have a good camera on your phone, then I would say it's a great investment if you want to take footage on your phone, and even if you don't want to fully invest in a camera or just want something that's easy to take around with you. It was also such a fun product to use, and I found lots of people were interested in what I was doing, and there were so many people who were looking. It was almost as if they've never seen the gimbal before, and I found that really interesting, and it just looked so cool and it felt so cool to use, and just walking around with it was such fun, so I can't recommend it highly enough in that sense. Please comment, like and subscribe to TechFusions, but most importantly we want to know what you guys think. Let us know if you've used the gimbal, if you want to use the gimbal, and we'd really like to see what you guys think and hear your opinions. This is Jack from TechFusions. See you in the next one.